Welcome friends. In today's video, we are going to see what is the difference between abstract class and interfaces. So these questions become important when you go as a fresher or experience. It will ask definitely in the interviews because this question has its importance. First, we will understand what is the definition for this. Then we will go step by step, one by one. We'll check each difference in abstract classes and interfaces. So here if you see first definition, abstract class can have both abstract methods without body and concrete methods with body. So inside abstract class, we can define both the methods, concrete as well as abstract method. But inside interfaces, only abstract methods prior to Java. From the Java 8 onwards, we can have default static and default static method with body. Means after Java 8 we can have this default and static method in interfaces. I have covered this default method in one of the videos on our channel. You guys can watch these videos on our channel. It is available. Then next here multiple inheritance. Here if you see multiple inheritance, it does not support abstract class because we have their abstract method as well as concrete method. So there we will get ambiguity problem. That's the reason it doesn't support multiple inheritance. But with the help of interfaces, we can achieve multiple inheritance in Java. So that is the use with the classes. We can't achieve multiple inheritance, but with the help of interfaces, we can achieve multiple inheritance in Java. So next default implementation can provide default implementation for some methods. So some methods we can provide default implementations, but in interfaces, default method are supported from Java 8 onwards using the default keyword. So from the Java 8 onwards, we will have default methods with we can use with the help of a default keyword. Then feed have which can have both instance variable and static variables. Means inside abstract class, we have instance variable as well as static variable. But inside interfaces, variable are public, static, and final. Means once we define any variable, we cannot change that. We cannot override that variable. So that is the behavior of the interfaces in variable. So these points become important as well. So inside abstract class, we have both instance variable as well as static variable. But inside interfaces, we have static final, that is constant. And then access modifier here, if you see, method can have any access modifier in the abstract classes, that is public, protected, or private. But inside interfaces, we see method are implicitly public. From Java 9 onwards, private method are also allowed. So these changes added in the now Java 9. So we will have private method in interfaces from Java 9 onwards. Then constructor can have constructor and they are called when the subclass is instantiated. Means abstract class, we need to provide implementation for abstract classes, and for that purpose we will have constructor in these abstract classes. But in case of interfaces cannot have, because we cannot instantiate interfaces, means we can't create object for the interfaces. Here if you see, I have created one abstract class here. This I have explained in the previous example. So we need to provide implementation for these methods. Sound method, we are providing implementations and we are instantiating this abstract class here, and we are calling this method with the help of animal abstract class. That is the behavior of abstract class. And next point we will see inheritance, how we can uses the key extend keyword for inheritance. For abstract class, we use extend to inheritance. To use inheritance in our classes, we use extend keyword. For the interfaces, we implements. So we need to provide implements. We write multiple interfaces there with the help of this implements keyword. When to use? Use when you want to provide common base class with some shared code and possibly state. Whenever our some common logic we want to write, that time we can use this abstract class, and use when you want to define contract that multiple classes can implement, ensuring they provide specific methods. So whenever we want a multiple method that implements multiple classes can implement, at that time we can use this. Then here is the example for abstract method example. Abstract class shape, and inside this we have defined one abstract method. That is abstract method we end with semicolon. We just define and we need to provide implementation for this. Here if you see, we have created this abstract method and we need to provide implementation in our subclasses. Here inside subclasses we are providing implementation for this. Then interface have only abstract method, that is void draw. It is by default internally compiler will add a public abstract in again above this method. Then concrete methods, here if you have seen abstract class shape, we have write one concrete method. We need to provide implementation for that. And inside this, we have written one concrete methods. Abstract class shapes, interface movable, and default methods move. These are the some major difference related to abstract class and interfaces. Here, main difference is multiple inheritance. We can abstract classes do not support multiple inheritance, while interfaces do. This means class can implement multiple interfaces, but can only extend one abstract class. That is the multiple inheritance we can achieve. Default implementation, if we see, abstract classes can provide default implementation for some of their methods. Interface can also do this using default keywords. So on Java, from Java 8 onwards, we use this. Fields we have seen, abstract classes can have fields with the some with the any access modifier and maintain state. Interfaces can only have public, static, final, constant, and cannot maintain the states. That is a major difference from the abstract classes and interfaces. I hope you have gained some knowledge from this video. This becomes very important question as a interview purpose, because mostly out of 10, 9 interviews, this question will be asked. So be prepared with these videos. You can watch anytime. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.